everybody. Tiny home adventure here, y'all. And you can't see him, but there he is. There's dump truck. Still haven't got all the grease off of him yet. Gonna try it again. He is so uncomfortable. But this time I got a better solution. Yeah, I don't have but 2 kids with me today. Just 2. I end up taking 2 of them with me. And when I took them, the other 3 went somewhere else. Or should I say 4? I can't even keep a contact of how many grandkids I got. Here come D, y'all. Yeah, this little boy right here, he do not like being in the house. This one though. Let's see. Go ahead. Let me see if there's any worms in there. You think some worms in there?
Yes, sir.
How you know? Pull it up. Let me see.
Oh, I know worms in here.
I don't think the worm could be down there just yet, huh, y'all? Did you say hello to everybody?
Hello.
That's how you have to jump. You have to jump on it, huh?
I think I'm here.
That's too much water, D. Don't go right there. Wait, there goes some right there. Yeah, I guess you could do it at the end. Let's see. Let's see. Might find some crawfish up under there. Sometimes crawfish go down up in there. Let's see. What's in there?
Some worms and stuff. There's some worms in here.
How you see worms? You see worms in there?
You gotta dig deeper.
You gotta dig deeper. Let's see. All right, let's see. Pull it up. Let's see what's in that dirt. Roots. What is it, D? Look at them. Tell them what it is. What's in there?
Roots.
That's all you see?
We can go crawfish.
I gotta get the poles ready so we can go.
Today.
Yeah. Boy, don't fall in all that muddy water.
Wait, I'm not.
Okay, come on. Don't go. I don't want to go over there. Where did Quincy go? There's Quincy. Come on. Let's walk down here a little bit. It might be some.
No worms in here.
I see some puddles, but we don't have to go in the field.
But man, this cat came down here. There's some deer prints.
Some what?
Big deer prints.
There goes some deer prints. Right there.
Hey,
That is a deer print right there.
right there, right there.
Yeah.
Right there, too.
Yep. Those are deer prints.
I think they bit.
Let me see. Is there one back there?
It's a river.
Look how pretty it is out there, y'all.
That's an ant.
Why are you beating up the ant bed? Them ants?
This is an ant. It's a treasure right there.
It's what?
A treasure.
A treasure. Oh, dig then.
Stop dig.
Dig.
Dig. Dig.
Oh. What's down there? You see something?
Dad, look in there. Dad, dig it down.
He's serious, y'all. What would you find down there if it's treasure? What would be down there?
Dump truck.
Dump truck at my feet. He trying to go. We gotta go. Is your granddad still at home? Oh, okay.
Oh, ain't no treasure right there.
Ain't no treasure right there.
It's right here.
Don't break the shovel, son. I like that little shovel. Hitting it like that, you'll break it. We needed to move that dirt when the tiny home comes, so we all gonna do some dirt and say we contribute to having it delivered on our ground, the dirt that we made.
They said he saw a book right there.
Who?
They said he saw.
Look at there. Look, there goes some deer. That was a big deer. Look, that was a heavy deer. Look like, huh?
Yeah, that was a book.
You think that was a buck? How you know them buck deers? Buck hooves. How you know? He just thinking buck. Oh, Quincy got a. Oh man, Quincy got him a shovel. Okay, let's count to let's who could dig the biggest hole. Stand over there, D. Okay, on the count of 3, I want to see who gonna dig a bigger hole. D, not right there. D, move over right here. Okay, on the count of 3. I'm gonna see who gonna dig the deepest. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
He got a big shovel.
Yeah, but you can go. You did. Yeah, you might be tired because you've been digging them. You go. Oh man, let me see what Quincy got. What Quincy got? Oh God, look at Quincy. Quincy, D hole bigger than yours. Oh D. Oh D. Don't throw it on me, D.
I'm tired.
You can't get another hole, D. D, that's cheating to get another hole. That's cheating.
Because you trying to make the trap for the gas.
Let's see who did the biggest hole, y'all.
I'm tired.
You tired? All right. Who made? But Quincy, he did a bigger hole than you did. I guess because it's a smaller shovel. That was a lot of work, wasn't it? Oh, Quincy, could you say hello?
Hello. Bigger
Well,
hole.
here go the holes, y'all.
No,
Now we need to see. Let me see. Put your shovel over in that one. Let me see the.
Look at here. My shovel is his. My shovel
Let me see.
go down. Watch this. Watch right there. Watch right here. See how my shovel went down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, next time when y'all ain't tired, we're gonna dig another one, okay?
I ain't tired.
Oh shoot! I almost tripped over there. There go dump truck. Dump truck. Y'all look how beautiful it is. Hey, can anybody find something out of those clouds, even though it's evening time? What can you find up there? What it look like? Can somebody find one picture? Where? What you see?
Right there.
You see the head?
Yeah.
Oh, look what I found. A dog running. See his feet and his tail?
Yeah.
No, you don't. Right here. You ain't even looking at it.
It's right under mine.
It's over there, but the dog tail is right there, and there go the legs.
It fort.
Can y'all see it right there? Right there. See the tail? See the leg? Everybody get a different something off or something.
Did you see that right there?
What?
With that leg. Right there.
Yeah, that leg kicking. That's what I see.
It look like it.
All right, y'all. Let's go. It's just probably about 4 o'clock, and it's getting dark already. Well, we'll talk to you later.
I'll make that tiger up. Come here, let me show you. That's my phone. Hey guys.
Where's he at?
Yeah.
There you go. He's so small, but he makes some pretty noise. That bird makes some beautiful noise.
I love birds. Huh? What you say?
I just brought a little small clip. I know they've been on the tire once before, but we just got back from.
Hey guys, hey, you better get up here. Want to? If you want to, come on. Big 8. There's that list. Big 8.
Man, that's a lot of rubber, y'all.
I'll stay here.
All right, we'll be right back.